How to make payment for organizations. How to make payment for organizations. As a partner, you may find yourself in the position to make payments for an organization. There could be a number of reasons why an organization cannot make payments from their own portal. It could be maybe network issue, maybe there's nobody to trust except you, and all of this could be, it may be you are the technical partner and you're in charge of everything, and they just send you funds to make payments on behalf of the organization. So the way to do it is this: you come to organizations, then you click on account. Once your organizations are loaded, so you select the specific organization you want to make payment for. For example, if I want to make payment for this school, I select it, and I come here. I just come scroll to the right, and you see this second icon here that looks like ATM card icon. You click on it. You click on it. So once you click on it, you see the name of the school that you have selected. You can select the session and the term where you want to make payment. First of all, the school should have made available the current active term. So in this school, the current active term is first term. So that's why you can select it, and I wait for the system to give me option for payment. So right now, there is no current payment activated for this school. So on the school portal, perhaps there are no active students, and that's why this is zero, because the system usually calculates the payment based on the number of active students in the school. So once you do that, you have total payment will be made available here. Then you can go ahead and use the Paystack payment gateway to pay, or you can transfer directly to the company's bank account and it will be credited on behalf of the school. So this is how to make payment for organizations.